Welcome to another edition of Smalltalk for You. This morning I wanted to go back to VA Smalltalk and the database code, and I wanted to look at inserting into databases using parameterized statements, which is something you'll do a lot of if you're writing real database code in Smalltalk. You'll want to have some object, grab the data out of the object and shove it into the database. Now what you do here is you create a dictionary with mappings from some logical name to the data. And then what you do is you go ahead and map that using this kind of statement. Insert into the table. And here I have my data names in the table. And then over here I have the mapping. So it's going to show VA here how to map from this named variable to this column and so on. And you can see that this would be really easy to map from instance variable name to the database and have a dictionary created on the fly based on the instance variable names you've got in your class. So that's all pretty easy to wire together if you want to write a lot of this kind of code. But let's just take a look at what's in the table first. I've already created a connection, so let's go ahead and look at what's there now. And you see we have two rows of data, one with my name and one with Barney Rubble. So let's just remember that we have two pieces of data in there now. And what we're going to do is go ahead and execute this code here. Notice what we're doing is we're using our old friend a query statement using ABT query spec, and then we're going to execute the query spec down here at the bottom with the named parameters, and then finally we're going to commit the work. So we'll execute that. And now, having done that, we'll go and do our query again, and just to make sure that the data went in, and you see it looks longer. I'll make this wider so you can actually see. And there we go, we see Fred Flintstone down here at the bottom. So this is the simple way to insert data into a database using named parameters. And it's really easy to map this to objects if you wanted to build sort of a mini framework, real simple to do. So we'll just disconnect and wrap it up for today. So, until next time, have fun with whatever Smalltalk you're using.